Slide 1 title. Welcome to this presentation on the West Bengal Power Development Corporation Limited recruitment for the year 2025, advertisement number WBPDCL recruitment 2025/06. This recruitment offers multiple vacancies including draftsman, office executive, and several other posts. Slide 2 total vacancies. In this recruitment drive, WBPDCL has announced vacancies across various positions, including assistant manager, safety officer, sub-assistant engineer, chemist, office executive, draftsman, operator technician, assistant teacher, and librarian. We will look at post-wise details later in the presentation. Slide 3 application fee. The application fee is exempted for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, exempted category, and persons with benchmark disabilities. For general, economically weaker section, and other backward class candidates, the application fee is 1000 rupees. Slide 4 important dates. Applications open on 22nd September 2025. The last date to apply online is 13th October 2025. Candidates must ensure they submit their applications within this window. Slide 5 age limit. The maximum age limit for applicants is 32 years. However, age relaxation will be applicable as per government rules. Slide 6 qualification, Part 1. Educational qualifications vary by post. For assistant manager, candidates must have a BE or BTech degree, MBA or MHRM, or a postgraduate diploma. Safety officer requires a degree or diploma in engineering, or a graduate degree in physics or chemistry. Operation and maintenance supervisor, and sub-assistant engineer require a diploma in the relevant discipline. Chemist should hold a Bachelor of Science honors degree. Slide 7 qualification, Part 2. For draftsman, the qualification required is Madhyamik. Office executive must be a graduate with a diploma in computer applications. Operator technicians, both fitter and electrician, require Madhyamik qualification. Assistant teachers must be graduates or postgraduates with a Bachelor of Education degree. Librarians should have a graduate degree along with a degree in library science. Slide 8 pay scale. The pay scales are offered as per different levels. Assistant managers are placed at level 8, with a pay band of 56,100 to 1,77,500. Posts such as safety officer, sub-assistant engineer, supervisor, chemist, draftsman, assistant teacher, and librarian fall under level 6, with pay ranging from 35,400 to 1,12,400. Office executive and operator technicians are placed at level 4, with salaries ranging between 25,500 and 81,100. Slide 9 vacancy details. Let us look at the post-wise vacancies. Assistant manager positions are available in electrical with 37 posts, mechanical with 48, instrumentation with 37, civil with 9, IT with 19, and HR and administration with 17. There are 2 posts for safety officers, 40 for office executives, and 2 for draftsmen. 18 vacancies for sub-assistant engineer civil, 25 for chemists, and 20 in operation and maintenance supervisors across mechanical and electrical. Operator technician has the highest vacancies with 140 for fitter and 60 for electrician. Finally, there are 23 vacancies for assistant teachers and 2 for librarians.